Hey, I'm really excited to be here at the Salesforce Tower to talk and share what we're seeing in manufacturing and automotive with our Salesforce partners. Hey, Megan.
Hi.
How's your week going?
It's fantastic.
So one of the things that we're seeing, obviously, is not just sales and marketing, but push and utilizing some of the solutions, but really thinking deeper into the owner experience, connected products, which creates a pretty unique data challenge. So how is Salesforce addressing that? What did we learn this week?
Salesforce is really leaning in the data space. They have Data Cloud, which is a zero copy tool that allows you can look into different places where all this data lives. The data is very disparate, and so Data Cloud can pull on a lot of that data and give a single picture and actionable insights of what to do, how to engage with the owner, how to use this data in an actionable way, fuel AI. It's a really great product, really great way to start to accelerate activation of data.
Yeah, it's a big problem for a lot of organizations as they accumulate all this data.
How do they
do it? So we have to figure out what to do with the data. What do we do? How do we get started with a data cloud?
It can be really daunting to think about getting started with Data Cloud, what to do with all this data, AI. And so one of the things that we've worked really hard is partnering with Salesforce to have a really quick workshop that allows our customers to better understand where they can get started, how to think big, start small, move quick. And so make it a lot more tangible, tied to business outcomes, and show really the value of what it means to, activate this data that a lot of organizations have made huge investments to track. So these workshops are great, and our customers have really loved how tangible the outcomes are.
Cool. Excited to be here. Can't wait to come back.